My name is Brian. I am a parts advisor here at Porsche Centre North Toronto, and today we're going to show you how to install a roof rack and a bike rack onto your 911. All the bicycle racks do come with full instructions in various languages, and they all come with tools and 2 sets of keys. The roof racks on the 911 have these handy stickers that tell you exactly where they go. So this sticker will go above the front driver. Now the 911 has these black gutters that you can lift up. This tool here, you use that little hook to grab the black trim, and it pops right off like that. And then inside you will find 2 hinged brackets that come up like that. And that is where we install the roof rack. So now we have the whole car prepared, and we simply slide it up over there, and it slides on top of these brackets here, and just tighten up these screws. There's 2 on each. These roof racks are fully lockable. Now that we have our roof racks installed, we open these up like so, and we can now install the bike rack. There are 2 styles of bike racks you can buy here at Porsche Centre North Toronto. This is what we call a touring bike rack. This is a 1-piece, and then there's also the racing style bike rack, which is a 2-piece, which requires the removal of the front tire of the bike, and it is mounted next to the bike on the roof rack. So this is the touring bike holder. Mounts like so, and this arm comes up to hold onto the bike. Underneath, you have these little tabs here. It's both on the front and there's on the back. And these slide into this groove here onto the roof rack. Now once the bike rack is on, you can slide it back and forth depending on how close you want it to the driver's side or the passenger side. And these tighten it up, lock in place. There's 2 on the front and 1 on the back. Now the bike rack is fully secure. You have these tabs that go over each tire, front and rear, and this arm that holds the bike in place. Again, the bike rack itself is lockable so people can't come and take your bike rack away even if you don't have a bike on it. We will be using our Porsche RX bike for the demonstration. Simply line it up and up it goes. So once you've got your bike in place, to tighten this claw, you use this dial, and it'll just tighten it up. That can hold it in place while we tighten these straps up. And it has these rubber guides to stop it from scratching your bike rim. Now this is also lockable, again, to prevent theft of the bicycle. And then we close these up here, fully lockable. To release that, there's a little tab just under here, just releases it.